I never see any God. Let's go. You say I never see any God like you. I never see any God like you. My mother tried, did not feel like you. My father tried, did not feel like you. All my friends tried, did not feel like you. I never see any God like you. If I travel from here to south, no one like you. If I travel from here to east, no one like you. I never see your touch. I never see anyone. Alright, I never see any God like you. See any God like, hey, see any God. Everybody say nobody will. Come on, you say nobody will be like. Nobody will be like. Nobody will be like. Nobody will be like. Nobody will like. Nobody will. Everybody will know. Nobody will. Nobody will. Nobody will be like. I have set to all the air. You'll find no one to compare. Nobody will be like you. Nobody will be like you. Nobody will amazing. Amazing God. You always come to me. Amazing. Nobody will be amazing. Amazing God. You always come to me. Amazing. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days have been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. It's running after me. Your goodness is running. Jane, your goodness is running. It's running after me. Your goodness is running. Jane, your goodness is running. It's running after me. For all of his, you said
Ajatwengme Keminche. Omashi TV. Ajatwengme Keminche. TV Ajatwengme Keminche. Omashi TV Ajatwengme Keminche.
Omashi TV coming to you live from the heart of the city. Okay, Accra. Woba Nungua Gborbu Wulomo. Ohanye fe ojeko ni won penye ken bashia Wulomo. Eji Omashi TV shikome ku wo ba danye twingme no hanye mishe. Lebi no amini fe mo no no ku ngene nu chole dromo na wasan woba jipu ye no. Eku engbeji ni tetelate. Waleche mni bongo nyo yake lebi ne ngene e afisho ni masho na masho. Ake wabole kutuwa kwe nuwa jebu wajenu keji wenu wonu nuwa konji amlajo ihiyo yake shi nu chode nche wo no gojo lebi ne ni efe noko michon noko suoto ehabu ake ya ni je echere podie nche ke owo kufe ona na eme osuonlo ke ohinyelo e die nche je ya ni je papa echere am no wo shikome won pebo kemba lebi ni fe moneno eji lebi nlami oji chere momni esanyo pe wafu e shraw ba keji wo ba
Free admission, free admission, free admission. Looking for an exceptional school for your little ones? Look no further. Great Aim Academy is thrilled to announce free admission for the upcoming year. Our state-of-the-art of school offers nursery, kindergarten, and primary departments, ensuring a solid educational foundation for your children. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Contact or walk to Great Aim Academy now to secure your child's place for the upcoming academic year. We look forward to welcoming your little ones into our school community. Great Aim Academy, passion and excellence.
Excellence in hospitality, Niji Vocational School. Wachosia me yani homo me. Wachosia me balloon fabric flora. Kumaka afia and flow. Na ba saje mekanibi abasa car here abasa solimochimi. And about for reception and about wacho fe call afia flow no to flow cake, wedding cakes. Fear of birthday cakes, what fear of admin what fear bag ashinone tokotana ke ashinofio what fear of fine ke boy to what fear of one tanye. What fear the full time need Monday Ju kashiso. No be no want to what for hope no wakaji no chunga jibo. Ne kole onye no ba Ju kashiso where hono no one fe. No travel. Kono ka wa gbasale ke ko ba register wo ba ko wo boy na suma ne afi nyoma ke edwe ne wo boy ne me pi echomo me me ko me ka fa gbe me ni ke ya police me ye me ni ke ye ni na me ye me ni ke ti abrochi ye wona make jo outside Ghana ambakasi me ni ke ya si wu amekete si ye wo afi nyoma ke edwe ne wo boy me feel high pa echo woni ni no ye school na mi e wo nyeba fata wo hi ko ni wo ye ni mo wo e kashi ni ko ba hu e wo ba ha bobe ni ko ba wo jo mo wo ye kashi agbe nye ti anya benka wo ni wo ba ya no pepe kaji onuko wo here wo ye Nungua Gborbu no telephone number 024 344 9046 024 344 9046.
Don't again, you know, you drink our way for a shroud over any washer or waji when you want she Danny or waji she when I'm acquiring how watch it needs you need conti at your near to buy. If you know you're living one body money, I cannot watch it. I won't leave now. Okay, well, not with if any for you. Mrs. Ruby, I, Nungua Gborbu, Marie, can now ajele von Otu. If any bafata or a kejaman say, I mean, ni a mama bafata or a nifi money no. Okay, one queen can by living mammy, nifi mon, or the ceremony, sunny, when you open. I cannot get it cocoa, ye, I took by near me. Live neke, mingabu, shalom, akosua teblen. Fen libre nke mi hanye fen ojiku me ni wa ni wo ke ni fi mo ne ban gbe no ji JC Enterprise na kano na Suma School of Excellence ni Nungua ni amni ni keji utau ni ubi ayakase ni na nchumo tamo nchon catering services ne wanyo chi obenke na Suma School of Excellence yakase boni aho ni ni bohu banyo na orders keji afi parties engagement wedding yara ke kruku me bunka ohi ada obanya ni mini oho le fefo ni ukaya no ka hani akechu ekenu chumo no bana ise egbe Nungua ni amli lo maka wanyo twale ibo ne no ni 0243 449046 0243 449046 na kanu keji ofi corporate events ni utawo na ba take coverage ehabo lo aba stream ye all social media platforms e chi obenke Omashi TV ni wana ke wono fe no fe mom ni yemelo ke o no ko le woni uto twa ya dafi le hu chi obenke wo ni wokwe wo habo libne nke manye ni ji now they are dey ku kan claim ji mo ni ba yi cham ye paper review ni fe mo ne shikome ko ke ji o chi obenke o TV lo oshi ni o ta no ko wana shram ye ni fe mo ne no chi obenke Facebook lo ma ke social media ko te Facebook ni ji Omashi TV na kano X Omashi TV _GH ke adina on Twitter Omashi TV _GH. Now ni hawo good morning.
Ojeko.
Yo njema. Ni no ni hawo blefo no le o hami bo hiri no ga.
E be ga nyojim. Ni mi ngwe no e ma ko be ku ma yemu.
Dawe. Yo inyo ya ke shinsha yo.
O dro mo na ngwe no ehwehwe twa ko yo sanshi. Wo so le ahia ka fite no go. Me ja ke twa ko yo wa ni ku e he de sa na shi. O ge o ba ju. O yo ma se ka le nyumbo ne.
Dawe.
Ales no ne. O ba chom mi wo mi ka se nu lo.
Keji o ken nugbo ha excuses ba na ke bodenche.
Ani alo ji. Alo de ani alo.
Ya ke atali enche ke for aba chaki. You kwale fresh kome ku nya iwala don ke amoto na nya hisen ni nya ke won ye be lebi nwa mini fe mo no yesu bi ma te ke no bi fe okay won anya potia no bi ke je shla ke agbe langma won ye pa kumukuno okay wo pe nya fe ke ma lebi nwa mini fe mo no o akọ headline say ku mani ete no ke agbe na wo ko eboni wo ba fe wo han be ke wo share city news ake power outages. But Akufo-Addo has ordered for the suspension of electricity export. Ni attach ji money ke wi money ba. A girl married to priest is not 12. She turns 16 in July. Ni the chieftaincy minister hon ehani wali. Nakano minority demands increase in farm gate cocoa price. NPP trims as aspirants for a Jesus seat as nearly 18 show interest. But me come 18G.
Manage ame.
Okay, I'm a Tony, I'm a bad man. Doom so timetable. Opoku Prempe comments was disrespectful and unwarranted. Niji watch John Dramani Mahama. Lehu ike eba from yake. Viemoni minister akaba for Jram say ni hu ake mfem umoni wo ko timetable aba ji yomo ko ne jagbe. Ke wo ba City News lehu ebe food suppliers request police protection for April 22 picket over unpaid salaries. LGBTQ is a cultural war. Iji Harina Idrisu lehun ke enoeba agbene arrest, prosecute persons behind underage marriage. Occupy Ghana amebani amekamebimu eba from. Jamanyo na ona ke kusum ne aniti no. Iji Nungua Gborbu Wulomo kusum na fie mempia no shishinu ewo ehani men ekosane make agusane ateli pampin
Shinyo na ka gbala mi ha bo aka je de kleba an shi ne kleba afo
wa de nche
shi mo fian mo ka he neje shi afen shi akesen ni yo jeme ke no ni babla abo afo mo kwe me no na aka Wulomo ni be na afo le bebi eni fe mo no na aka me na mi ni ya no wo be na he le mo na besana chena bia ka me jini enu afọ ife mo ewie mo mi ni ni acha da fitala be ke sanne ejake sana ma bi no kuma fe twa ga je de glen shi de afọ ni ke gwa ka bi na afọ le ka kusu no mo eta he kokula ai eta shi kula ai egu na afọ kusu mu no na le chon ye mi ni o na ka kusu na afọ ewie mo chon mi aka be ke be na afọ le be ya afọ enyu emusu mi
wow
yes no be ni ta shi ya afọ emusu
okay
onu mi shi ya afọ enyu emusu mi ni efe fomo he ba wanya wo basa na wo te gbobu ko emi na ka dan shoshi na afe kusubo na afe ni fomo e afe mle na enye afọ afe na ka kusu e fan ale dan enye afọ
okay manye man ocha oyiwe mo no shin akenu ochin press conference eta onto ni kwelo ehun anayi mi shi bo producer ofa ne ko ni ocha press conference ke 2 minutes po o kenwe pan no ko ni wo fe wo ko boni ete ile han ke ka gbene wokweno nu won ba wi keko
woyi ba woyi Wulomo maja cheme ni na ba keshi mene gbine efe gbe srotoko ni sajin ni afo ahwe woche wolumo ko no bokete la wechuru ni jinyu mete kete no mene wonjie na hansajin efe na ko ni ehe ache noni akane blofo emi ekukuji efio wake ehia ake woche Gborbu Wulomo ajie nan ni ejaje ni bi ni echo gbeji anoto ni akchono na kefe ne kan kusunne bona fe ni ekafe mboko yin shiko ke boni ayu oke ya ke ba ye wonye na yomo ayemu edehe na yomo ayemu ede eye kusun sroto ejwe na efio ye nungwane niji nungwa kusun ni titrie no chon nungwa agboje no chon blema shikamo keje tete ni gbehene akehale lo gbena na akehale niji na yomo ayemu ede eya no ni akepali ole sabla na chole wodokum yo ni chon akeshi eji blema yo ke blema ni kashi ni sake afio Gborbu jemawo eye ngame niji kusu ngame yanunwa ni ameyi ejwe ni eye ko ni neke kusu ngame ne ekoji na ashiali na ohimia na busuafi ni nagbe noji na yomo ayemwede ni Gborbu jemawo eyangame koklo yanunwase ekoji akonadi woyo kemeku mehuni ehwe ni wonye fe ta wochin biane akonadi elate yo ni kusu na ayemwede le efio kusun ye gbobu ko enan ne kusun ye sroto ye neke ngame etene ne hwefen yi ni akeni le efe boe epa yo le ewa Gborbu Wulomo ha ekusun niji kusun klede ni hehia titiri ye Gborbu ko emi le wale na afio ni kusun ekomeji dudomi nuwo ni efio le shiete ye afimi keji abaye plejo abasho plejo lo abaye homowo ha gan manfe gadangbe fe je nuwa pe le huo jente ni akeha je ma wojin titri wo anwu ani yo ensure mi ni grofo chole meridian rock jeme le ajeme ni aha le ni noni jete woye ke woji acheme potete po eleji amenye noji jeje le ko na telio ngbedan ke ya abloko ni ji manjanu na ka solio aba wala aha mangadangbe fen noni je enumo le ekwo ni asa Gborbu gbachu emi ke ko emi na jula jeme na fi jeme kenke ni jeme chio bona fi ni anagbe na hweplejo na ke ye homowo le no hu le na yomo ayemwede jemawo ke shade jemawo le ekwo na chuo he kusun bona fi ni ke jemawo ne ya che ni money pe ni ne ta ne ke ni ne he sa ke efe yo follow yo ni lenu no ha ne ke hegbene ebe ba ken no wonta oni wo gba mi ni anale Gborbu Wulomo shichenta ne gba mi nanale akeshin afe ne ke kusun ne ake ekelembe ba wo ye sami ni afe ne ke kusun ne ake afegblan aha le gbomocho Gborbu Wulomo shimo afegblan aha jemawo ngoje helo mingblan ni afe eja ke meniji ne ke jemawo ne nga mefe ya mehelo mi wume ngoje nokoni
press conference ni teno no jino ni what traffic ichonye manye wache egbla ni bia mi baba o iche la te akono di iche ekru ko meni fatai agbenele hu eteno wi akeshin kusum na afi ne ji ake le bana bole shin be ba she ni wonya o ni ji queen mother
e ba anya bo te blanche ni
nakai no
cha fe to mo no ko ni lenche no eni shiani le wo gbe ko ba ke she nye bo te blanche lo be wo na wo le kusun na afi ale ye helo ngbe fawen eke wo Wulomo ji Gborbu Wulomo ni ji nyomo etekete no ekele ba na bula lo ekele ba afọ lojini ke ba be ni kusun efi wona ka o cheta e kokura e da ke kusun afi ha se lo ji ma won denje e wona ke bi ni eche musun afi nyo be eba no ko fe mu lumoni maka ke be lumoni ye nya musun emi e wo ona ke achebila hu dana na ke gbekene yo mu edenje ne keji anke je be ni eshe lo be ye hin kun obanu boni wo osu Wulomo ni ji chief high priest ji moni yo edomo na yo ne ke yo mo ne gbla ni mejo wo eka ni mefe ye mu pi ake wonu mu eke tafla che kuma wo che age ona e wo no ko no li esa no bi esa no ba yu keke no an ke bo ake keji wo le wo culture ni wo ye mi lololu e ke na me ya no efe mbo no ko yi she be bi ona ne mokwa ne eje hia ko shele je kusun ekwa ni wo nye na efe wo je heko ni hia ni wo je wo yo lu moko shi wole e wo nye na efe onu chumo ya no noko ya no abo oglansh na ya no abo otu omusu bi ona ekwa ni sen ko hia ni gbomo buluko jipo ni ja anya fe da ka kusun abo ni ka fe abo itan gbe fe ja ha o no na aka mokwa ne ye mo ase lo eko ka ba esuma keke sha fe ba hia na ke dan hwe hwiale ba na wo fa adwade ake la ke ele ni bi ni yo no wo bu ade ni bi ke kusumi ye he wale pam
wa gense no mbe manye bia ne be she ni gadangbe kusumi ni wo yo wajele
wo ke ka hwe ni wajele ko na no shishi
na ka eja ke e afeita mo
o na ke ne afe ho ni mbla mo ncho mi ake ayeko shimene no solo eno chife mufiamu no jake keji wo chen ya ejekole amanja no mada na ba we leji mo ne yo ebe wo ye fe ke wo teme fe ni yo nu afi amenye ni
dani mi achi ko tan ake dudominu
we kaja me kusu na ba fi awo dudominu wa na ke dan na ba fi kusu a eko na fi picture ko ni tele kuku eke nu no je nu ni ji ne ka secret menene nu ne ba tele shiete ba hale shiete ne ka ni na fi dan na fi o
ni naka nu na mo potenu Wulomo nu ni nu
je awo toma o ba ya fa ona tomo na ya fa ni la me ame no jubilee na no je nu kron na ke fi am kusumi ke lumo egbe chi de je no ayo na ke dun ale je nu keke ona bi ni cho wo gbeke ne na wole no ake afa kusum be ne ne bona afa na ajuwe ke je nuwi na ke pote ona eyo one na wole den nche na afa kusum ale aye pote na ba na eyi ni ma yi ke ji agbe ne se eku ne se blanche ne ya gbe ko ba ka ba kun na
no be kenkle no ni ba ke afi nyuma ke enyo be mi na ke shin media ni afi plapla
she 16 years afi nyuma ke because ko egun mo tuwe ka get 12 years be
aha ni o jisian crown ni wonu hia ke fi social media be ni
bi mlancho
ya mlan
aka ke no ke roma afa so ane nye nkele na sanegba ye de kokokpa adwa no akeso ane me pale fa ma be ole ko ni eba koni kusu ni fe mo nkela ye bie ekun ekwe
jo
wo so wa o ba no fe no ficho
naka jo so wa o ba no fe no ficho ko le fe mi na ke woje senior fio ku ke hanye kuku wo pe woje shin se mi o ba je fu interview fe ahanye ko ni nyen na hemi
ile ake boni atele ekula ke ni bi bona fi oyo ni enu an de fi ama ke shi mele sho na ke ni awole ne ba se ibabu mo na wa
mi to ma bia keshin gbenoni MC echon ke
no ni wo Wulomo yu ake gbenoni MC e ba yu ni han no mfata ye jake ona ke ni bi kun le we ke shi na gba jake kun sanike no kwa kala apia mi dan ni atun le boni sane yu le han ni mo fe mo ne ba ni fe mo ke me ni nkwe anako ni eje blanche na ka fe gba lo engagement ni wo fe wole na a fe yo ni shi kusuna no sana kwa chon le boni sane ya le han shi a chon le na ka bona aye ni han ke o neke wo afe ni tumo ke ayo cha me ka afe yo ni na ka etele o mo fe mo dwemu afe la ka be mo ko ni afe ni ke numwe ba na bole lo ekle ba fa lo ake lo na mi fata lo ni ona sha gbala ni ami a chon wa ke yo fulu ita de wo mi no fe no mi ele iwo gbeke na egbe na agbo ni wo ye fe po ye shishi ame mami ni ame yo wo ni
nu akeshin pano akeshin ahani my bulo ni di peaceful me protection na ani osusu akeshin ejino kunisa na
ejino ko sane ya no na kan ka we da ke me bi wa sha follow na yo na chiko echa tata nle aka echa ta be di lo nugo lo manselo nle bone yo le sha we no ji moni we mo fe aka no ake besani ekule me ke sha mo ba hale ale no ni baba e wo sane afa ebu nugo no wo che jesi ankran ji reverend e ba wi akashi ni ma ebule ka me nkwe beke ne na me yele ne amesuma ka ba no me to sane fon kwa ake beke e ba to mugo le nu ameke police fo ye do and die
naka me mu mi ton
ke ja ka me ka me ame odehedi
naka wa die nche me mu mi ton ke shino ake ye ne ke mi chon ni ne ni police fo ye ko e fo me naka ba ha beke protection ke ba hia me have visibility feel bo ke je camera expo ni media ba ya na sha na kwe boni gbege shin yo at least ke je reporting po na ha da feature egbe ni ji credible ones na kan boni ni bi yale e ja ke be pie ba le ake shin ma na mi ka ke akwe no ko no ha bu alu ake mu ko
ya ke bia ne school ya mke gboje fe be sana abu yi ka wo efen
na kan ko na impebe a chon no ko kuro ni wonu we sajin baba o ye ma na mi ni ake ma ebulo akwe ko ni bia ya lojugba shi se mi be no ba na ege ashin sani afoshin wa pa fa ya ke shin no fe no ni ba ya no amegbe ko ni ada feature lo bo ke credible ones eten enyo ke eten ko ni ba ya na ke report ko ba
ko ka fe no ko e fe mi ake mu sani ajele ni manfia na heni gbeken yo because I protect le.
She sani wonye wole no ni ya no. Eja ke yo nu pa ni je gbomo follow ni.
Ni o mi no to onu aka shi mi ni ji ni ya na aka nem be yo shi na e lo
ni ameka men fi kata bem ni na ba gbe na sani wole gbe ken shin rem ni no ni ya no aka man bi. Je amepe na ba protect gbe ken na me na beni mi chon day to day.
No ade sanitation no ba ya de son yi.
No ncho akeshin amana
even po ma ja ti me po ewu ake ni ma egulu e ka me nko e no na e po dente ka e baton mo ko e ameka me eku ke mo
ju ameka me eku ke mo ba ko e ko ni
ku so agbe ko fe na
e ko mba
ba na ba fe na agbe no ahan le ona we ko le ona ke na ba fe ne ye eku akwele fi o sani twa ko to e fe ja ke mo ni afi o no anye na ngbe na kan kenyi aha
jo be wo Facebook e se on ba na shamufi ko ni wacha woni fi mo no Lawrence Lamte ke from Senche Osuro the third of Ni Odate Suro we niji osu mantra ke good morning to you all, keep your good work up always. Che Lawrence Lamte niji Senche Osuro the third oyi wala don aga ko kenje osu mantra ni ami nakano Tina Cash ke good morning anyami yo won herebo no wo yo jogba bo wo he akeshi oyo jogba agbene Snapberry ke no ni wo tun enahe mi she ke su no wa Tina Cash, okay, God bless you my dear you manye be ofanoge
nyami no James Bobby
nyami
ko keje Italy
ko keje Italy nyam wa de nche oh, Miss Mama in French here, Biani. But I get
speaking.
Bush Morgan. I get Bush Morgan as an enemy. Man, you bear my name, mini Macolake, a Yauchi Tene, the National Food Suppliers Association of Ghana, ni Amehu, Ameha, Make School B, and Yam supplier. Amehama come Sanjin Bafosaka, Yaminum. I've been along Benona Chon, ni. Chain of supply yale e afi no kutumo partisan akwema here na jeje me krokume o ame biake keji ameshika ba kwe ake ambanya ametwa glassing chins lu no amoto ne ameti amada police ni akwena ha me afabam koni amakwa keshi 22nd of this month ni ja baby name here amakwa keshi ambanya ma picket your Ministry of Education akeshi amena gba ife na me you amni banyeshe micho solution no manye no ni ameho ameke bane me ni ha obi anyi ye school ani ameyo mo ameke ameno na menye no manye no kuwimo
no ni yo yo moji aka ni eni kama mo e wo kaje me Eeshã me afole ago ambaya ajira yo yejen abeli yejen ni bi koku ni wole na aka fio ni na aka ko gbeke bi ni school feeding program ni e ba kan sha ko kemi nke ya dan ne ke ku ne aka o ma kwe bonu ba acho ni ma ne ke ni eni ne na aka na ni eni e ha school gbeke bi ni mi she kemba kumo jira ya bete ya shikana me wo benini e ba she o lori fe po de je fa ni enu aye amount enu ka ahe o ka je onye lo wa menyo mu mi ne shika ba anya mena na me ka ni bia bo ne fa ngwe ni bia no ekule ka ni a hele 5 series kumo bene ye na akwa me ke kula afilu enyoje pa lo nugo no ha kule dano ba ko ha le po de je ble ma shika do yen le lo nyumu no ha le be ke ahe ko sa ne ke shika ko agbe ewo o gbe ma ashila lo gbe ma bi ashi me ne sha me funa me ka me volunteers na me ba ga sa no wa ne ke school feeding program ni o wa ha me gbe papa no ke e bala ka me me he te amba twa me feeding te be ke bi ba jo homo ji ni ba ya me no ke ja ka akwa hia ni ekule kemi nya ka lo nu pa ko no na yen san ma kwa na mi ni mi aha mi te ato aka ete san shi mo go ba
na ba you know wa pa mla lo e fa wo fa ke ko pa ake akwa boni aba fi ame teacher say
eche to ma fi enyo ne ni kwa TV no news ni o na me mblo na me phone na ha me shika ni onu pa e ba de nche afu ame da ni me fa me cho ni ke kwat mo na fi o ni wa wo me na me phone na me mblo aka bi ana wa me shika gbajan to fa ba sa
manye banyi ni binjaje kemba ejake watche nanado dankwa kufa do yan wole akeshi ni binjaje kemba we should accept that in good faith akeshi going forward ni bi baje to beni ejue kecho
ke ba anye beni wo ya school ko ya wo ye chins ne ke rubber chins ne container ne ke na no awo ne ni abortion kete
ni manye keji na kan we many hu ni your boarding houses am na nyenye ku aka ho ame
no okwe water ba fe den
manye ngo bako manye teacher for any day strike any di chon lo am che strike of partial she pre-tertiary teacher say le hu ke ni bi kuma ni sana akwe I think I'm a concern say if you come nyuma she amotone akwe almost about 3 in June 6 ni issue funny abakwe wolololo amenkwa ke mini jino ni amla lo e ba fe ye koni amenye ni ame call off strike kula ni ame ya back to classrooms ya ke chenchon gbeke bi ba ngaka
ya
o eyan manyo fa no ko oyin ko ejema wo
yo be are o san ni wonu eja ke na se wa Godson ni achomi ake prominent lawyer ni ake mlawolo leloni ojugba ndenche ni achomi ake ewale ngmele ye Dubai ni ami ni ake be amen fe program ko le fi ake gbe no ya na ese hotel no e collapse ni wala ngmele ni energy ni nkwele mami e fe oke bo ni yo ye mobo ke muso sha ba bia ke te bale haten
inu ake mun kan ni ko fiu ke ko inu aka ke amafi scuba diving
yes
be no na ya nu oshishi ni
na awo ne ke
oxygen e ke ya nu oshishi na akwo ekule ke lo ya kwa jiu aya fi other research ke kuku me wo han we ku efen po ya ke gbele ele ya ke gbele ni na mo
na ka no ji deputy voter North Regional Police Commander le hun beji Antiri Nicholas le hun ajo mi akele we wala enwele anani e kan shegbo ye hotel e ko ye hoho ni am ni hotel e be chumi ni eyo room 4 at Obama Hotel akele hun efi akebe ne ke nla ke ne ke Easter na gbejano to ke bona ke kudo de bi lo le efi akebe ke iye fatalo ne fangbe lo nyemi lo papa e fangbe sani ma kwa ma trale ma bia ko e ase lo te yo ten atwa anwo ku me twa anwo ewo no besana atule ke ma ba won ewo no be na me ya na le ne kanshi obesani ma ebule ko ku me ne kete jeme ana me le ake na no neba na na le kanshi wa me hu awole ke ba Accra na NG Police Hospital boya to ye ke ana fi autopsy na kwa ke mini jino ni ke bele ba ake hela ko ye de bele lo alo mugo ni bele e woni kan autopsy na ke ja fenju na ba anye ni aditeta ake no ni ke bele ba ne ya
manye jamele nwe wo ke wo ha wo ku ho po
why
very warm condolence to the family yake manye gbele ake ni na mo ko le beni
no ni kele ba ya no jisani
kaka wale ngo
wa so
manye be no ni wo kwa mu na ni wo ba fo wo ba ko ni okay wo sanigba abanoji wo chena na do dankwa akufo ado ni eha odako akeshin be kan ni asho sa wai wale na asho ke amanse ke e kuku me akwena apa kuni boni agbe okane ni agbe okane na sun e Ghana
le yen pe ke ko ni na mi eju emi na agbe no e se 2 minutes na agbe na sa agbe na sun ni e wo je no kwa ya fe wo na agbe lo wo na agbe le se ngbe twa ko me na sa sun na sa agbe ke wo enyu no ni fan ni mano bo ne mano ne ni na no ni ya no mi ni jino ni ka baba
manye ka
agbe na sun o fa ne ke ji agbe mi na afe wa agbe
asa loku be ame anu wonu shishin
wo ke ja asa do ko e ka agbe with the twinkling of an eye no sa ni
nakan ben naka me hani ona ke no no ke timetable aba ke timetable ba
ni pepe ke bo ne cha fe le nche time e jawo e ko ya ke mo fe mo de cha prepare we mo ni sa de ke ba wo ni
yo no mu boni no shishin na
no ke prepare bi ane te ba fe te mbe e wale extra wai wale no je nchu ni te mo fe te ke prepare ke mo ne ju de san mana like ka ji ne ke mletwa te mo fe te ba ju nchu ni e wo yo mo ni sa de ke ba wo ni
yo no ke agbepe basano na ke asa no ku
benu ele no ni ma wo ngaja keji onna ni agbekane e be uno fe no ka asukura e da kenye mi charge we na ni nka egwu ake no mi o charge phone na asun e wale ni ke ba me fitele angbe ni fan charger e da ko yan fo bi ane phone wo je wo do
you no wo che na do dankwa akufo ado e be e direct ni di voter river authority bi ni di VR bi akeshin amekwe koni sa wai wale ni wo ke ha wonyemme krukume magina no wo fuse ni akwena ke question asane ya ke question asane
wo susu ake no jin nke na agba ba
e wo wonkwe keje egbe na keje ake kaka agbe na asanuku ji na agba be wakwa keshin keji lele ngake akpa ne kesira wa hiwale neshe kenya majan kroko ma no ani ise ba fulu ni neke wiemo ne alomake no ni hani wochena na akufado haneke directives na eji be executive officer ni egbeji Dr. Elikplim Kwablan apetogbo ona leji executive officer ni ekwo neke IPG disne ni Independent Power Generators of Ghana leji money damo amena akena keshin sananya kwe ni amo na dan ko ni akwehia sane nasa wa atachi anya no wonu hia keshi president ni na na doda kwa akufo ado ele no ni ya no e ma mi ojugba de nche no keji ene afu itwen ni ike akpa micho amu na dan be ejagbe iji be chairman of the Energy Committee of Parliament wache atachi ji monike
ona ka ene po wie money wache na na akufo ado ka ba fon je le po sane kun ele ba wi ni eja ka enu chumo ni ko ne ke wo sra wai wale ne no enne jino ni wota wa ke kun wo minister ni ko sra wai wale enne me posa ne ba wi ile mwe na ko e tachi ne yo se ya ka wo che yo se aga ale no kula bonu wo ke ha man se bie no ye wa wu ye gbeko no enne me posa ni le ba e ba wi je wo che sa ne ba wi ni no wo wi aka je owo mu ko ma ye ko no na ka mu bonu enu chumo yo sa no je le je me
anu kwali sanoji
sho ba no ba wi yo mo no ke jamo yo no esa na ka yo mo le sane benene enye ba ne ba e ba pa man bi fa fa e yo mo ne ba wi na
manye ke bi e se o wa ko
te fi o te mo de je prepare timetable te fi o te
yo manye na gbe no be passport sane ni ba se pe na ke agme price is no kete from 100 cedi to 500 agbene long from 200 kete 600 wache wonye niji ayoko butu ha no won akeshin umoni passport ehia bo ka gbo na akeshu anu afi passport eja ke keji eke inwe ba wo mi alo aba kweno ni boni passport ehe ni bi jale ha ke o akọ 100 cedi form masanya amlalo abo nyomo extra 300 na ke fi passport awo ni agbene lo Ghana bi wi akeshin passport e ba amna lele ba amna wo wi mo le wo ba wi
nke bo nya ake nye ji date na ha bi nu ake ba de ba ko passport nye ni jana bi la ke nya ko ne tie no ni nke wo no ahale date bo ni onuga ko hale na ma ake ke fi e twale ke be twani bi aka te fi o ten e ba twale ke jale no le twale ni mi ha ele le ake no ni ya no ni no ne ke mo nke le na kan ni ke benene kula kwa ke boni hale ne kete ne ka fi ni ji 200 cedi se ekwe ne kula ba na ba amenu e wonwe aba chi na dan ko ni ke e ba pe na kan yomo no ba sani ma sai ma to ka hale no ne te ne ba pe na ka shika na pe shika ji mo ko ebote mi emu ni sani to ni cho na ale be de ba ko e sa na ka mo e wo na ka shika
no won kwe no e ke be nyomo na abo ye akeko ko 100 cedi form sana mlalo abo nyomo 300 amenya amebo na ka nyomo do no fata me
agagbo wo
na ka e fata na menu chumo nye e ya no
abo me ni sanu wa ru agbo wo gbo mu
obakwe no ni mi ona ke ni bi ko me ye ni kema nyojibo isa keshin oyeko whether you like it or not bina fi le obakwe
ewa e ha ona eneme ha ni echi o me ke ase ni sane kule ya fi Ghana card ko mu ni be mini me afia me no ekule ken ko bu fenti lo mi te dani bo te mi money mi te fe se bo ni ba sho dani mi no po ne shel be sa no ya shi e kwa aka ko gbe be ya be ko te shi aso apresh ka agbo dani ake ha bo mi lo sa ne ba no ko ni amla lo ke fushi na woshka kente ake ya ko be sa ma woshka ni no ha ni echi o me ke ase ni bi ni sa no na ke manyu papa ni fi o manyu papa onyo na me ba o draft we be awo kwa bi Ghana mini ga afi na mi fa agbe bi no ma mini ya afi vote mini ya afi vote o me na me nye ma mi keke ji ame be no kono we ja ke na se na mo ne ba na ye mi
ni manye we mo ni wonye maka nya o sheli ayoko botu ke wa fonjira mi gbe ko no nkele pan agbe ja ke shin ka o ke keni e hia bo uka ya ko ya afi truka no konyo eba e ko le chekwe ko e manse ni edwon he lo edwon bu e ya ke shin o ke eba mo bo kete bo mo ba nyo atu no ko ni mini okupo pa washia ni eba twabo unexpected
no fa na mo lo le je enu
na kan se ke o mo ni o la ke e hia bo uka no afi na mo ali e wo gbo ewe mo enyu ma shishi wo ba kwe She was going forward there. Manisani neke ni nanya
no chumo kwani ko chwele sani passport oloye ko ale no eje
ni every citizen of a country is a keshi na passport voting ID card kagbene identity card no going forward the wakwa keshi parliament makwa ke wakwa ka abanya review neke ni ne ni
ame ashika abashian o
na wacho shika abashian manyo enu she oba fo oboye yumo be danu oba hien lo make danu oba fo oba nyumo wako ebe ba fata wo Eeshã ke ha wo fe ojiku nya wo herbu no ke manye o hefe for na akpa okay etene ya ke where are their communicators? They should come and lie to us again, because as for them all they know is lying for the party here. Ni mo ko ame ba mo na ba ganye to enwe ke mi she
mo na chale si ni mo ehwe o
ka ke che ko ntuni ama ni bi e mo ke mi ni ko le fe wa fo e shroba ke ji wo ba o ko sani gba ba ni gbe.
Free admission, free admission, free admission. Looking for an exceptional school for your little ones? Look no further. Great Aim Academy is thrilled to announce free admission for the upcoming year. Our state-of-the-art of school offers nursery, kindergarten, and primary departments, ensuring a solid educational foundation for your children. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Contact or walk to Great Aim Academy now to secure your child's place for the upcoming academic year. We look forward to welcoming your little ones into our school community. Great Aim Academy, passion and excellence.
Are you looking for a media house for your upcoming events? Welcome to Omashi TV Production Crew, a digital station that offers live event coverage such as conferences, parties, corporate meetings, weddings, and live streaming on all social media platforms. Soft copies of events or production can be made available upon request. For further inquiries, call Omashi TV on
0536 772 262
or 0244 425 652. Omashi TV Production. Ajwa Twing Me Kamishe.
Nasuma School of Excellence in Hospitality, Niji Vocational School. Wachosia me yani homo me. Wachosia me balloon fabric flora. Kumaka afia yen flow na ba saje mekani bi aba sa car here aba sa solimochi me. Ena ba for reception ena ba wacho fe ko ba fe ayen flow no to flow cake, wedding cakes. Fear of birthday cakes, what fear of admin what fear bag ashinone ke tokotana ke ashinofio, what fear of fina ke boy to what fear of one tanye. What fear the full time, need Monday, Jew Kashiso. No dia no want to offer her no wakaji ni chulo jibu ne kole onye no ba Jew Kashiso where her no one fee no travel kono ka wa gbasale ke ko ba register wo ba ko wo boy na suma ne afi nyonwa ke edwe ne wo boy ni me pi e chomo me ko me ka fa gbe me ni ke ya police mi ye me ni ke ye ni na me ye me ni ke ti abrochi ye wona me ke jo outside Ghana ambakasi me ni ke ya si hu amekete si ye wo afi nyonwa ke edwe ni wo boy me fi ha pa e cho woni ni no ye school na mi e wonye ba fata o hi koni waye ni mo wo e kasi ni ko ba hu e wo ba ha bobe ni ko la wo jo mo wonye kasi agbe ni ti anya benka wo ni wo ba ra no pepe je onuko wo here wo ye Nungua Gborbu no telephone number 024 344 9046 024 344 9046.
You call a friend, you will don Ololo work na Suma School of Excellence. Tamo beni nya we de nche Jemlan ni area lo echon here we. Shikome ko ba no twale 0243 449046. Wana me say Nungua Gbe. Iji 0243 449046. Jeme hu no Great Aim Academy. Make passion and excellence. Showbenka me John Evans at Tamils High Street no. Iji Osika Park no. Koni bohu oyabi shishiji pakpake ha obile. Enu wo she shikome ko won pe yen fen kemba ni fi mo no. Enu wo she sanigba discussion. ni bonida no ofiole NDC MPP mi engendamo Ghana miji Ghana kweku Ghana mine mbe kweku crash mi ji kweku Ghana no inese be Ablikuma Central niji NPP communication team member Richard Boysi Akun ni mwako emele ni eba ni bashe mwako mono obi ehie be bashe nakano Mr. Ladin Lati enyegbe iba echenchon iba ba hisen koni ngene wana fair discussion wo ngenye minu e ba aje shishindani wonye minu ele ho iba fata Boysi Akun tete
mene yo adomo na yo jiba everybody me feel dey fit no you have a problem feel because man ya physical in asma in form in form na ka asma Daniel Nungua Gborbu so that ball any actor we fit mo ani e wule enwo jam flag in for me e jam ani everybody e feel why she living there numodomo na we wala mi numodomo na akufa don fi no fian ni ba ni Ghana bia ya challenges again, but then you are the challenges again. We will never say again the challenges are not there. In a crisis moment like this, there are a lot of challenges, but the government if you know if you are never fini, a bani Ghana be here ajoami.
Dani wa buti sanye min cricket akenu o me onyame nu ni ba wokwa hie no oni wo kaji shishida tumo ochie tema mi ne ni National Food Suppliers Association bi ba ka shin anya menyomo ka ekrokume shi amralo akwani wo ni ochie tem kebata ngene gbeye mi san ni kaji ikamenshi tamo alo enu ko fi mo shko hie on ya ka shin nuko shin nye papa ameke please fui e ana juma kuna kwena bo ame afa ban e ja ke 22nd of April amen kwe akeshin ama picket Ministry of Education mini ji no ni ya no
ona ge ye be na mi strikes ke la kan bi 2016 2015 wona strike that can be a buyer, especially when it's election years, because there are a lot of things that people want to. When turn our address of Omashi. If you remember, even teachers associations can be they were on strike. I was told that yesterday, they went back pending some one or two things needs and afi. Food supply and honestly they are very important to the free SHS agenda that Ghana or the government of Ghana is pursuing. Well, with this particular challenge, I'm very sure the Ministry of Education coupled with Ghana Education Service, they are still working on it. I can't buy a strike. It's unfortunate I can't buy a strike, but sometimes as a Ghanaian, you have that right to do that. But I'm very sure with the government that is so concerned about certain things, he is going to be able to make sure that he sees to their demands, and then I'm very sure before the 22nd day, the government have been able to sit with them and then be able to judge us on one or two things with them. But I'm a picketing or whatever. So at the moment, it's their right to want to do that, and in fact, when citizens do that, it calls the government's attention to certain things. When the government is looking at the entire Ghanaian spectrum of Omashi, different places, and like I said, teachers say they called off strike just yesterday. The government is looking at various things, and you see, even the scale of preference. In the scale of preference, I'm very sure me government teachers say I'm very sure with the food supply government to do something about it, and then we'll have that peace.
You Ubelona, Ikafan, Kajenye, Niji, Foreign Affairs Ministry. I may adjust the passport fee, application fee, Ning of Fenwaliacation, Bekoni who Kaje 100 CDA, Owana 200 no. New book apply for passport. I'm not on any warrior. 100 CD, I will not get the 500 Ghana CD. Need 32 pages. Ni 48 pages booklet. I get the 644 Ghana CD. Agbonele keji niji noji standard service. Keji utaulo ya be nona sano owo enyomo 500 wa pay 700 Ghana CD for 32 pages. Ke agbonele 48 pages booklet wa pay 800 Ghana CD. Ameke boy what jinshi keje jenda. Ani ona ke nege nyomone na wo no alo shikane na wo no ike na gbaba ba ha mambi ni amenta woni amehu amako ame passport.
Kama you no ko living in fact in pano ka akeka onye pano te Alice living in ma fonga mo ka in cherish Omashi Twibolo especially in Kenya you mo woko ma you she living in yowa ebile we ko ni yowa do mo na o abie ne again ma fonga mo ha mi chairman honorable Kwame Robert Dazi of Ablekuma Central. Again, incoming MP for 2025. Money by money eba our problems. Need so far as an MP, that person there is Kwamina Saki, who is going to make us enjoy at least as people of Ablekuma Central. You are jail Latife Jenny when enjoy because Latife neighbor one honestly speaking there. Oh yes, I look at it cafe get me get cafe citizens sometimes say few mistakes coming a hand will waste about 4 good years. Just imagine 4 good years. You give power to somebody to represent you in parliament and for 4 good years getting to in fact let me say getting to 4 years now. You have not even seen a gutter to gutter pony. Meanwhile, your predecessor, who was an MPP MP, was doing massive projects. And gutter to gutter and it's very serious. Clinics can even share machine and moko stati MP Bachano ni mene 40 beds here. They may bush or no back commission keke no it won't be an edge get and it's some way. In fact, it's some way. Anyway, for me to go towards the passport, Sanya, it is really unfortunate. Ghanaians, Agishin, Ghana, they had to do this. Although the foreign ministry or the passport office have to do this. The reason being that I feel I can quantum leap from just 100 cities to 400 cities, 500 cities. It's a serious. It's not by me one. But let me say something. Yesterday I was listening to the MP, the Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs. That's Kweku Sapon. There are 2 main reasons. One, the first reason is that the current 100 CDP there is highly subsidized and inadequate, therefore making production and acquisition of the passport a problem. What they may be, when you actually apply for passport, can be a neighbor. The reason being that Ghana, other African countries, here I'm a passport booklet here. I'm here come in one place. You and I will admit that for almost about 10 years, passport price has been the same. And you and I know actually things keep increasing every day. Every day no buy because I increase prices because in price is the same from Kokai, but how many challenges in trying to buy those same products? Of one mission, he came back. It will be a expectation. The same price. Have a problem in the market of one mission, and that is what the Foreign Affairs is saying. This time, they have to call a spade a spade. They have to tell the Ghanaian community the truth. The reason being that West African sub-region, for example, in terms of printing of passports, can it be Benin? Benny hit $50 for printing of passport to his citizen. $50. Call quick event, a 54.71 cents dollars. Of one mission. Okwe Gambia, a small country like Gambia, is taking $50. When you look at Ivory Coast, it's taking $123. Okwe Burkina Faso, it taking $80. Cameroon, $180.71 cents dollars. What do you call it? Guinea-Bissau, $55. Guinea-Conakry, $57. Nigeria, Nigeria, kept in printing of passport, 54.29 cents. Ghana come to printing $7, $8, which has become a problem to us because because government was subsidizing for Ghanaians. Every money that comes into the ministry, they have to what? Go and put it into the subsidizing of the passport. Research number if 100% of people come for the passport, say 30% per use or for traveling. The rest American Omashi. To any living in Nungua here, I no emergency emergency. But until naka emergency baba, it just becomes what do you call it, an identification too. Of one mission. See, Biane Shelling, Honorable Shelly, I go to Inkewa. Many were Ghana card, which is the number one foremost identification as a Ghanaian. Of one mission, it is not really important that she call only her passport for anything. You should go for it. And that is not even the researcher. That is not even the problem. The problem is that other countries in the same place. Why print materials on the machine and they get one I'm in charge of these fees. They have an opportunity to be able to buy adequately the booklets can even at a printer and can even she will because no one charge at a lower money it becoming a problem. No, Liberia, which is charging, Liberia is the lowest, the last but one lowest, they charging 40%. But as we speak, they are trying to review the 40% printing price and MFA. She Ghana, even though one increase upon it, it's going to be around $40. Even in the sub, still with the increase and quantum increase and warfare, it's still going to be the lowest when it comes to the sub region.
Okay.
Wakaji
wakwe boni woma yo biane in the state of our country as at now we in price is na high care to boy and okay lo.
Oh that be okay to me okay. It is never okay with every Ghanaian. It is never okay, but situation analysis shows okay this has to be done because Ghanaians or serve Ghanaians for example cheap maybe because someone I'm buying electricity 5 cedi or 2 Jimmy rice where buy mawako where buy Esther's kitchen ko the back bagation bono no ale okay and that is what we are facing as a country at the moment at the foreign affairs ministry. Ghanaians are saying actually are delaying, but the reason for the delay is that there are no booklets. And the reason why there are no booklets is because our subsidizing 100 cedi passport they have enough funds to be able to buy those booklets. Okay. So the ministry is giving an assurance actually if these things are start happening and subject to Menena Abu and Himo, if people start bear with the government, bear with the foreign affairs ministry. Now I'm a boy Himo, I'm a boy Pimo can be here. At the end of the day, it will increase the revenue. Ni Ghana be a low Ghanaian passport be a ma acquire ni ko ba me serve book correctly. Of one mission. Thank you.
Mr. Lad, ni hambujuku. Ngmenele na ge nugo yo wa
missing me wa.
Keji o ba ji shen eni wo ba she ne ake bia ne passport fees awo no keje 100 kati 500 keje 200 kati 644 agbona no ko to lo ya be 700 ke 800 mi no yo wi mo ene ke san ne
manga quello è fede bine ake ni wati wa kashi ni di ne beke no ko ife wo shi ni mo ya ni je papo e chele woni le den je ya ni nu ni ehwe wo no je do wa shi ano kwale sani mankenele nkashi ni nye wo dugba mi na no fata he ni nse eche wo mapa quello è fede fa na me keki yeah le ke passport increment ne ni e ne ano kwale sani Ghana be fair we ake ejina agba be hawo because me no KFN bio ake me no esani passport ni esani wona ni wo ke fagbe esani ke wa pay ni wo ba na esani che dani woni ni ahye no because on have fixed price of it ni ite akofo ye bank in feeling keba ni ba ye be san shike acho goro people sa there nwele quick no oni ne ba hye no oba bio akishi mini gi the difference ni your goro boy say ke ko no te direct ake mini o ya call genuinely but ona ni bi na efe na akishi be ko ne huwe wo foreign minister a visit na ke passport offices ni na ke ashushui amejebe she is still there, they are still operating there ona ni eye na agba aga akishi be ni water shi ni wo you ne kola agashi me iti ya seek for passport ya conform your bank if you no fe no gbeja no to pepe nkete inye mi na ete ya ton goro boy no ene ba hye no dani mi ni ba hye no why ejina agba ona e wo ka ke corruption e fian ene potential corruption because ona ni na ngmeno 544% ne Niji in percentage 544%. Ne na ngunu ne. Obabio akeshi goro boy. Tumobeno ochoni ko taule uya. Ako ba pay ni
700 ke
800 ne goro boy ba charge times 3 of it. Aja akeshi la akeshi mini. Ke here eye me komeni ba han komeni oni ba aba fe lo ya ehabo. Shibumu ba fi le genuine mini hewo. Lo ndi nye sheno mla. Does it mean actually the materials are there? Ni akenjeni allo to mobini minister you actually ni bi jilewa ni bi na mehia na ka ni bi enye amenya amehedon because government ele unpio eku onu minshi ni wono na memo no shi ona kashi honorable Sam ukuja to abakwa a raise issue ku akashi neke nye ba first statement ku ye tweet ake o Bemi na mekanike ni neba foreign affairs committee here. I'm advisor me. Akeshi no, the increment is too much. You will come by increase potential. I may feel it gradually. Only me she feel. Because call feel na kan no be mokopo e ba twashi ya eduke fi mo ba fi. Bon miss because na ga no kemba. Oda ne shi ke atishi kometo bumna ngeno ne ke eji na agba. Bwa denche. Ni inyemi you know about increment ni bi jilewa ke ni bi ni cheche wo ni ba countries ke ni bi ni amenhu amenfe na amenhu amenu price e te won fiu shi obabio akeshi ke o ba wo mane mi ne ke wo ni ba countries na fe they are performing better than us in terms of ke ibalewo economy seriously because ke wo ya mina kan mene shi ni wota ni ke wo dollar ni ya anwe ta fla je pa sha ke shi mina ba ka anwe passport no because ni bi ya anwe bonu shishi aja ke shi be mi ni wo che don do money Muhammad ono ni wo ye dollar at the city of 3 city 80 pesos ni mene dollar nye almost 12 city getting to 70 pesos da kanon ni bi ba jila ba wa e name because we are not managing the economy well. This particular government is not managing the economy well. Seriously.
No, touch on Akeshin. Hello, we mommy, o feel franke. Because of economy and managing logic, no one I raise the prices.
Good. In fact, because to be ninkabo you oni, kaji lela Akeshi wo dollar ne eya ko nwe to mo bene sane ya. To mo bene nye eche maji. Ne chele in dollars, e quote in dollars, ne ko le mi nyemi nu alo yoku ni ta agbo na dollar aka che ele calculate mu le no je ko lo che $5 e mukoye elemi ake ko charge $5 o ba na ni kan amount but onu shishi it was okay it's no break it down because call o check $1 po o la get $1 12 cedi 70 pesos bonu mi shi mo ke ta se ba nu shishi ni ba na ke be wo shika ni wo yen ko yen dollar ko mi ne ke pe ne ke o ko ba lo wo shika apilu e wo na kan no be mi ni na kan ni bi e fe mi ni dollar ya nwe world market na ayo ni bi e ke ba o ko shika pi ni ba hi onu mi shi ba gbe ne mi ni e sa no demand na kan shika ka je man bi ade ona ni iwo tumo be na yu won pa sector minister afai ake ke ba yin ne ke ni ne ameridraw ko ni ka ba menopo efe fio e ha man biye ona no ni wo che John Dramani Mahama yu ni ko yu na yu ake ko ya akwa passport echo it's true wo fe wole mi pon yu no ni wo che John Dramani Mahama yu ake shi e ke 24 hours economy mba bona fe ni ke jimboku tumo DVL yo je ni passport office yo je la se mba tabi ene ko ba ka en ba yu ni ke ni e bi ene ba gbla mi Odumishi ni neke sectors ne alo institutions ne amenchuni 24 hours ipa shankeshi mi kebuke wa seek for passport isaneche aja keshi ko te lebi mene ni kebu yo ne ya je lebi ni no akwela ni yo je me Onumishi odu aba twa me atwa aboda na ba ke o ba no ba show picture Onumishi shi ko te je me o ba na me ni yo je me because beni atwa boke je office goro boys le we chule no aba Bona ni skele no ba chomi ndani bu ba chomi. I've been there before you only intije anwe wole no ni wo joba. Okay. Ona ni e wo kene ke 24 hours economy ni e ba. Oyo ya ke shimbuku ni ekule te ya libi ni la ke te libi ma che e me ni gbe ka lo manke ya. Because la ke manke ke te no fi no ba 5 mini black mini e hale. Ona ni e wo won pa fai 24 hours economy e ke ni bi pi ni ye gbe kemba. Ni eba recruit me eba create employment ye ne ke sectors na ehu mi ada ga shi muko ya gbona ne ko le e town to menele unemployment rate le nyami nu e de che ba wi be na ma mete oshi ye wo ti oshi si te unemployment rate at 8% mene 24% bila ga mi malelu onu mi shi ni ke nye create jobs ni ke na ko eba nam ko bi mene ni nke bo yo ne me ko me pon fi demonstration recently ni wo ne no aka pay kwa mi oda ni iwo ne ke gbe me ne fe pi nwe pa je na me pa ta flat ke mi tuni no pay mi je pa ma pa be yin ni da ne ta flat ko mo ana aba tuni ahabu ona ni iwo won pa fai sector minister ne ke passport ne na ngmenu ne e bo moden ko ni mini a meche price e no ko ni mo fi am anya fe mi anya ni shimi na no kumbi akashi ona akashi Ghana ne ni woyo ne ko ba akwe almost 6,000 nurses and doctors give me shima name yes trained nurses and doctors na me shima name na ma atuni ye man say because of nuchumo be man name
no be me na atuni akesama
yes sabotage ni onu mi shi because me by te forte kumo koko o menoko no from 100 cities all the way but wokola ke shibe expedited one ni jiko taulo ya wokola ke shikeji nupo ameyo timoto 150 onu minshi ni mena move all the way to 800 Ghana cedis nyemi no ko fese ne ko de chenke bo no kumala kabu je ni mini ko afi na kanye ko ba no passport em na ko so mo peti mo mi na ame shi neke amount ni me ala ko forms na fili the same problem no ni me ba ke shi iba femini iba che oba na ke ba che ni me ni me goro boy se no ba femini iba ya nyem na wo sector minister ne han wole wona wole be mi ni ibe batano akemi iba gbele passport office se ko other region se I think ake Kumasi gbe na ke shinu me amegbele ko nu ele je me bo moden shi other region se on issue I think ake shikeji amenya amegbele hu iba wa nuchumu because kefe na ke yan ni pressure fe be bagbe Accra because moko ba je tatali onu mi shi moko ba je wale mukubaje pungugu onu mi shi fe be esani Ganeno.
Okay.
Onani, no honey Goro boys by me. I like a shike Goro boy challenge it just shown the bell like a came by me. Nimba Benano Nima Kunsi Maya.
Okay.
Born and won't pass fire.
You won't pass fire. What's up with you?
In the meanwhile, if you make everyone is not really privy to a lot of information. And for me, I always say I came by Tabi and sometimes when I have the information, I'll tell the people. If I don't have it, I'll be honest enough to tell you I don't have it. We are talking about printing of booklets. No, it has become a problem for the people within the passport office. Because booklets now, one printing of the passport becomes a problem. A chalk, anything. You sit here and say, I guess you know, mama get a 24-hour economy, baba. If you go to a company, for example, Oba BNA, Azumi Agesha, camera can be a baby. No, I know cafe or production. Come be a 24-hour exponential, it will be ineffective. Cost 90 of one machine. Now, he did again say, I guess, Okuja to a black white mini tweet can be sometimes on a NDCB on honestly. Most of them, they enjoy it when they are lying to Ghanaians, and it's a very serious matter, especially when it comes to matters of national interest. Okojetu is not part of the subsidiary legislative committee. It's part of the Foreign Affairs Committee.
Under Foreign Affairs Committee. Well, I got me under near a Foreign Affairs Committee before.
No. Now, subsidiaries legislative committee, when the mene was where they brought it to them because I'm a what do you call it? They determine fees and charges of most of the things. In fact, everything that is a Foreign Affairs Committee doesn't determine the fees and charges when it comes to public what do you call it? Utilities. Now, when he went to the subsidiary legislative committee, which is chaired by an NDC, the Bolga MP, that's Honorable Dr. Dominic Ayeni, it was unanimously agreed. It's in parliamentary answer. If you say you don't know, it was unanimously agreed. From based on the things that the passport officer, the arguments they brought out there, it was unanimously agreed. Why was it unanimously agreed? Because the Deputy Foreign Affairs Minister, who is Honorable Kweku Sapon, was engaging them out from 2023 to on. So when the thing was presented before them, and they knew about it already, so it was unanimously agreed. After it was unanimously agreed from the subsidiary legislative committee, it came to the plenary, that is the main parliament. There where they unanimously agreed, that very day, what Okuja to Ablakwa was absent in parliament. I am putting it on record here. Was absent in parliament. He was never in parliament. In parliament, voting, members present in time of voting. The man was absent. So when he comes into media and comes to tell people lies, and then my brother here maybe, because I know my brother is very good when it comes to research, maybe he didn't have the time to do that research, or maybe he didn't get that one. But Okujeto Ablakwa is part of the Foreign Affairs Committee. He's not part of the subsidiary committee. He can go and Google and check after here. It was agreed unanimously, approved the fees. It is true from the managing our Sanua family, Sanua increase. It is true that which is Dr. Aine, an NDC person who was the chair, unanimously agreed to it. It is on record.
Mr. Lati, don't know Baba me. Okay, for the printing of passport booklets.
Yes.
Well, Obahe wo mi akeshi menye. Ni apply for passports for closely 2 years.
Yes, there are a lot of backups there.
Because for the printing of the booklet, for the past years, the announced booklets. No one passport say back out.
Now I just renewed my passport. I applied for my passport. I can show you the menu. I applied my passport in December 8th. I was told that I will come for it on 8th of February. The passport was ready. I can show you the message. The passport was ready on the 6th of February.
Because can you
imagine? This thing, nobody. I'm telling you honestly speaking. Nobody. I didn't know anybody. You see, your problem. The problem that we have here is that the truth. When people say the truth, I don't know anybody before God and man. Of course, this is not party defending. It's Ghana. It's Ghana, and I'm telling you, there are people that today I can call another girl who is not. I don't know the party affiliation. But you
can also call an independent person from the place.
Bosi akusane ni mbiji okay the printing of the booklet.
Yes.
Ni work wa here with me na me apply passport ne more than 2 years nani ameni shekuno. That's what I'm saying Akeshenshi. When we say Akemeye because I just give you an example of me apply recently. Now I got it. So assuming all things being equal, I don't really subscribe to the fact that I say Mokoye 2 years in the Shakuno. I don't really subscribe because I except maybe you tell me factually, I say, oh, mene, I don't know or something. But I don't really subscribe because I am talking about me not even fairly recently. Did you go the expressway?
No.
So how come I can pay 100 CD?
I can show you. That's why you can even.
No, catch 100 CD. Catch 100 CD in boy pay.
32 pages.
Less than 2 months. Oh no.
Yes.
I kept printing of paper say noni ya no if you te bo no ni go apply no mo ko no ni le efie no back on bo no.
No, we are talking about the fact that the ministry is saying I guess the challenges it has is that it has been a subsidor what do you call it how do I say a subsidor yes a subsidor
bo se akole no ko bo mo owie mo na oba for e hire oba call e fe won for e hire oba ka oba cha oni fe mo.
Asuma School of Excellence in Hospitality, Niji Vocational School. Wachosia me yani homo me. Wachosia me balloon fabric flora. Kumaka afia flow na ba saje mekani bi aba sa car here aba sa solimochimi. And aba for reception and aba wacho fe ko ba fe flow no to flow cake, wedding cakes. Fear of birthday cakes, what fear of adminu what fear bag ashinone ke tokotana ke ashinofio what fear of fine ke boy to what fear of one chenye fear ne what fear the full time need Monday June kashiso no dia no won to wo fe ho pe no e wa ka jini chulo jibo me kole onye no ba June kashiso we ye ho no no wo fe e wo trawo kono ka wa gbasale ke ko ba register wo ba ko wo boy na suma ne afi nyonwa ke edwe ne wo boy ni me pi e chomo me ko me ka fa gbe me ni ke ya police mi ye me ni ke ya ni na me ye me ni ke ti abrochi ye wana make jo outside Ghana ambakasi me ni ke ya si hu amekete si ye wo afi nyonwa ke edwe ni wo boy me fi ha ipa echo woni ni no ye school na mi e wo nya ba fata o hi koni wo ye ni mo wo e kashi ni ko ba hu e wo ba ha do be ni ko la wo jo mo wo nya kashi agbe nya ti ade benka wo ni wo ba ya no pepe kaji onuko wo here wo ye Nungua Gborbu no telephone number 024 344 9046 024 344 9046.
Free admission, free admission, free admission. Looking for an exceptional school for your little ones? Look no further. Great Aim Academy is thrilled to announce free admission for the upcoming year. Our state-of-the-art of school offers nursery, kindergarten, and primary departments, ensuring a solid educational foundation for your children. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Contact or walk to Great Aim Academy now to secure your child's place for the upcoming academic year. We look forward to welcoming your little ones into our school community. Great Aim Academy, passion and excellence.
Okay, one share be na local anum share session. Fees na charge me na Foreign Affairs Ministry ni charge na fees. It's on record. The government of Ghana ni charge na fees. It's on record. It is the subsidiary legislative committee which is chaired by Dr. Ahine. Okay. Upon the managing data na can here from the passport officer. I mean, I could that because of failing again about one fiamo of mission. So it is the subsidiary committee coupled with plenary, that's the parliament, that agreed unanimously as a sana charge in the foreign affairs. Hello, government of Ghana.
Mr. Ladi, open any Omunai minutes couldn't want you watch out.
To be in a Chonian passport any Angmano booklet na a feel to be near you and a print or a bialo a print or a man's Niji passport baby and a feel fine. Ni get
okay passport printing booklet a fair bien.
We apply for passport thing, my print or
okay, no, okay, that be a booklet
that be the whole booklet there. Need the passport there. JB and a printer. I'll check it, but you go outside to go and buy it. Okay. The increment in any banner. Does it concern Russia and Ukraine?
Oh, the committee have said it. Dr. Ahine, you can go. Dr. Ahine has said it's not Ukraine matter.
The statement out concerning the increment. Need the Foreign Affairs Ministry over Onyenaka statement. Ni shko okane ni mambi abutwe. Because okane statement about Russia and Ukraine. Ni nagba eba can be fairly affected. Only means no ofane can me town no check statement kodo can am be only means which is
foreign affairs.
Only means
the people.
We are educated. That is why I said the thing is online.
You know what? The subsidiary legislature determine the fee to charge. So why are you making it look like it's the foreign affairs? It's not the foreign affairs.
Foreign affairs, I've been get a statement about that.
Parliament needs to pass. So why are you making it look like the foreign affairs? I've told him, but he's intentionally misinforming the Ghanaian population, which is a very bad thing. It's a very, very bad thing. You are playing with the minds of Ghanaians. Well, come on. Come on, it's very bad. That is very bad.
The tactics,
it's not tactics.
Because Nimi na here, wafe de tashi pushiji, pono bila kishike ikwe mie no nangme enilue ekele pwe mishe.
Which is true.
Which is true. It will not buy me share. Can no koni we and what care man be anu kwale shika fe tumo defending here to money because okuta to offer na chui man be nkwa amewa menjaji kumo I foreign affairs ministry born me foreign affairs ministry here neke committee na ma attach na meke amesusu shikane yalo charge se na ba here ame foreign affairs ministry yes bonu minshi ni one onye oka kashi moko ni take affairs of a ministry here oba we ni oke fees no to ngbenu aya no ka ha committee conclude ni ka jeje me ko le ya parliament na pass it is never done that way e check odugba ni the foreign affairs ministry committee here onu minshi ame committee Germany okuja to ya raise ake o okay neke shikane nyeta wonye here ejigbe no shi kiani mambia ya ajan because we are in economic crisis here wo afele mini few but onu shishi koni angmenu je no punu ko o ba me ha mambie ona ni no ejino ni mi she ni mini e baby ane ni mambie na e wo mi she shija ke shi taflache wosumo na ngono alo tawo na ngmenu aya ke shi price be ba hit wo too much ona ni e wo keji leke afele fefe ko tweet na ewie e keji mini parliament back to mini from recess I mean ba make sure ke ni mini ne ke sane ne ba awonu ye parliament bonu mi nshi ko na kwa be ni mini aba afi because le no oji price e afi mini abashin onu mi nshi je aga ke shi the same price ndo mi na here o ahe no je na kan yemu eyo because we feel like no fia no ya nwen bia ni ona ni e wo shike ba ya nwen po at least onu mi nshi so far ne wa ba ngo na ke ko ba na kan statement here kono o kan statement ni ba out concerning the increment of this passport ni na ngono
yo mi kwa mi ololo ni mana makwe
Ona.
mi to wa chawo sani ba no wa yo mu na mi
Ona ewo fence nyemi bu esi akun nke bo fen wo tabi ene wo ba mi nse onu mi nse ewo fen wo agree on one thing akeshu ejila wa chon achenu koni meni mele because bi ane ko ba ko ekumu man bi enfagbe wa ni ya na ya ta flache no e ba nye wa wo economy ayakeshi ke mene ni tashi ne ifagbe nte abrochi ni ya abrochi ni mi maje ima mi shika onu mi nshi no pode che e wa economy because mi chuni ye je mi maje le shika e bi ene ona ni naka no mo ko chuni ye bi ene ka ni ji foreigners e ka me chuni ye bi ene na me lo shika ke ya
be majin kroko ma no pode nche ajiogbe ke doctors alo nurses alo contractors alo kroko me ajiogba han na me ya se na ma tun oni ameke shika ba
shia ona ni e wo ne me fe opportunity for the youth there because ko ba ko bi an youth there un ji me ni fa agbe wa ona ni e wo opportunity ni wo pa fa ko ni akwa wo ko ni wo nyo wo akwa ni wo ta fla che wo fa agbe ko alo be sa kun do ke
naka no mi to ma ko Facebook ko no ba channel ni mo wa ko ke Ghana every sector is full of corruption. So what country are we building? In the area Manyaodi, okay, you are looking again. Because you are a member of the NPP government and also a communicator, please don't lie us. Mary, Senerity McCarthy, Felix Lati, Chitman, Berikisu Kwadi, Agbede Mansan, Queen Jackson, Niboy Jefferson, Telma, Eddie Kwati, Mefen Fatani Femone. Boys just keep quiet and allow him to flow. Oh no. Mr. Lati, what John Dramani Mahama, Eba Yumoko, Keji Yomo power sector, Luma power crisis near. Eat a humble pie and admit you have failed. Many dinoni itaoni echon mini itono Ghana bia no
why the power crisis ne legit money solving how you could ona get me because by all me say shake about different party the government onu me shi ni we be near baba ne ndi when people government na baba ne from that was 2012 all the way to 2015 wona na agba ye wo neke srawai wale ne nji wo light wo energy sector wo bana na agba sa ni naka na agba npa sha gashi ejenshi keje NDC John Dramani Mahama all the way from my maka gashi nkuma po she just gashi me population ni wo yo e ma na mi by at that time nkuma champo me can be population da ni gadgets ni wo use o mene no me wo use na kan gadgets na kan bia mi mi ne ke nka ya ga shi gbe mi na for mi ke mi ya school na ba to school atale no box ayo ma chela da na ba wu dade ayo mi nya ka ba to tale no ami onu bi shi ona ni na kan bia mi fo ba bia ga shi TV po me nya yo TV po common TV ko na ni mo ko TV black and white yes scored ba na chemole ni na ke do pode che shi so na ona onu mi shi me nye po use of fan ya metumi do me wo be ceiling fan do me standing fan na use onu mi shi ni no ke disco light na anyemu no neke nka yo wa ona shi mene shi ni wota mo ko use we si keke mu ko manya nke bia po aha example kumo the number of gadgets ni we use so bia ne ke o calculate in consumption wise but then choba no chon credit po a day ni yo e bia bonu mi nshi ni chon no chon o credit ni bo here no chon the consumption ni bo o consume e we sa no na ka shimini definitely we ba na challenges your power sector ni ka ba kwe kufo inopo be mi ni naka lewe dum so be bagbe na kan bia me aka mi ni akosombo onu mi nshi nueta efi neke ni mini a cho sofo yi malamfo yi to fa cheme wo cheme ke ni bi ni mini aya soli ni nungo ni wo na light fi onu pode chese mi no we se be babon na kan be ko shini be ba she wo che don dramani mahama yi no ni ne ba oni mene hani kana bi fe le aga she mini dum so na ba wulegbe kuduma na waso ko gbe bo sun nike dum so ne na mi ke ibane taflache wo che John Dramani Mahama ne ba sove ekwe enye future wase ekwe no ni mene onu minshi nweji no ni hani mini eke excess capacity of electricity ba onu minshi nwo nye mene nu shishi ameke mini is power management wo manage power ojugba o ne fi neke onu minshi wo nye Nigeria nyomo na pay ne fi no he woni mini wo na adum so am use as campaign ojugba shamenye ejami no akashi taflache be mini man ye yin be population nenda onu minshi be ko ne hu je mo fe mo ponyo ehi o TV shimene young boy ponde na 18 years po e ko te chunyo ba be aka mini eba onu minshi mo fe mo sumo ne ka AC ni AC consume mo be dey consume je no ko bibio AC ne kettle iron microwave onu minshi because I'm an electrician I know what I'm saying onani ni le kwa ahead ake no ni ne challenges ne eba Ghana na ni Ghana le nwe da mambia unfa me pidgin meni un use ni bi ni ko ba kwe keje nkuma ino Rollins no in ake light ti wo temalegbe keneke majani bi ye she be me ni wo che John Dramani Mahama ba ku fo le on be ba fi ku le un extend light keti akruwa ikome onu minshi wo che John Dramani Mahama ba un ba le we gbele mi keti e wo ne ke gbe me ne fe ne electricity no na me ba need onani because ni kayo kema kaye atame osino no mi wa kluwa ni wo yo ye Ghana epo no no mi light sheku je me shatame osino ni light ba je me onani shimene onyo chela kluwa do ko ti je nwe gbele onani
Mr. Ladi bien fait go
yes
okay
ewo ona like be mi na me ke yue dum so o ne ke o mene nye batanu ni hit nye yue ka awie isije be ke o wo ye ni ne SS power wo ye neke napo ni ji am energy minister akeke timetable aba kunu word na keji lela ke dum so ni ya no aloje dum so e ke mi ni money le ke mo yele ani amane ke ba ona ni na je mo pone ke han le reporter poni biole sani epo e body poster po den che ta flash e bad ne ke mo pona ata vice president here am a party mi onu mi shinoko me kumo ameri ni ma takradi mene o move ameri ni gas engbe yo je takradi yo ni mene o move america te Kumasi no expect that she o extend pipeline ke je bi takradi ke Kumasi dani mini power ameri ne kene na agba ni mini wo bana aka shi mene ni gabo yuo na epoden still aka achunwe ni wololo shika awie aka ni transformer FT e bi ne ke transformer FT e eku na repair mi ni gabo ta she nyenye transformer madanche na mi ka gbe light ye bi ne ni transformer machine block ni je ne kula fe maintenance na light off ye bi ne na ba light of more than 6 hours no ba ke ma ke o repair transformer ye ekutumo ala jowe imaye bo mayi inyemi
okay no be we mo no yo ni mashishi age John Dramani Mahama ke amefeli ke jabale power crisis
amefeli total because ni kebo you be ameke wa USS power ke bawo ni henya na generate fefeta ni mini wo ke 24 hours economy en balance mbata bien bla be chombo ni ke akaba afemini ni ke generation em meni ba tuni gbekepo onu minshi e ba wa mi ona ni because ni ka fetu mo won waste ni jenu won waste le because of me ni wo yu oni man ye yin onu minshi man ye yin jeni aba fe no ko ke wo se pa kwa ata ushike kun wa ke aya wele baji salone ke majani bi ni ke ba onu minshi ni ke bo yu Côte d'Ivoire sorry ke Côte d'Ivoire Burkina Faso Togo ke Benin Onumishi, I mean depend on us when it comes to energy.
Nakufo doing directives ko akeshi. They can neighboring countries no harm can here. Assist for now. As was spend for now. Koni aka question san.
Aha, but you your mama sane later.
Okay. Ekwesi akun Richard. Wo BFAB. You for about 5 minutes. Kono can we money watch out one in. John Draman mama you feel woeful. Kejabale power crisis. Mini your human. We find 5 minutes.
Okay, let me start from what my brother said. John Mama had solved this and all that, and when he had lose everything to John Mama, they solved it. So now, in 2nd of March 2017, Ofosu Kwachi, one of their key
deputy communication.
I wouldn't want to go there. I'm just telling him because he knows already. Said, okay, and I quote him, Mama would have ended himself if NDC was retained. Mama would have entered. It's on Ghana Web. I've quoted to you 2nd of March 2017. He said, Mama would have ended himself if NDC was retained. That's 2nd of March 2017. He said that. He said, I'm not one saying it. I've given you the minute so that you go and check it. The enemy will need to only make touch I don't have a problem.
Vice President,
Come and no quote it, look at it. Okay, I hear about electricity and all that. Now, you see, when we talk about somebody who has solved or somebody who decided to solve this power problem or electricity problem, then we can look way back to His Excellency, one of the best president that ever graced the presidency of Ghana, His Excellency ex-President Kufuor. Now, in those times, Kufuor signed the Eurobond. That's about $700 million Eurobond in 2007. Now, in 2007, that Eurobond not signed. Remember one question. By then, we were going for EPIC, a fund machine, and then the World Bank here was the one that was regulating the kind of expenses we do, a fund machine. So when the Eurobond was signed, the Eurobond was signed to be able to invest massively in the energy sector, because remember, Kufuor, he experienced some few issues when it comes to doing so. Machine. So Kufuor decided to invest. Remember also, I guess by then they've discovered the oil field, one oil field, machine. That oil field started working in 2010, although we discovered it in 2007 by the machine. Now Kufuor then decided again the $700 million Eurobond there was going to be invested in only the energy sector. Listen to how he invested it: 286 million to help VRA in the power generation, in terms of power generation, $286 million. 134 million to ECG to help in power distribution. 54 million for the Bui Dam project, which Mahama commissioned and say, I make Mahama. Okay. 31 million for government equity contribution in the West African pipeline project. What I get need Kufuor, because we are having challenges, or consult Nigeria, machine, so that they will give us their gas. So they did what we call the Western Corridor gas pipeline. Then Ghana, so that we'll be able to generate electricity. So Libya in 2008 and was the power. 2009, in their first parliamentary meeting, State of the Nation address, Atamios told the people, okay, the funds to do what they want to do has been done by Kufuor. It is in the parliamentary answer 2009. I'm the first parliamentary State of the Nation address. So in 2009, they decided to do. But remember, by then the World Bank was telling us what to do and what not to do. So in 2008, China gave us the Sinotech. They gave us a 3 billion loan facility. No, we could not use it because as at then we were being controlled how to use do expenses. So Atamio's time, 2011, okay, one of the projects that Kufuor wanted to do was the Atwabo gas thing. But you realize that Atwabo gas, it could not come to Mene. Why? Because they had land acquisition issues. Can it be fair by me? Now I can junction me. Can it be so Nibi Ahini Atami look at and say, "Oh, my money by inheriting of mission and was able to build the trouble gas with the funds that have been already been put there by Kufuor's government of mission." And you can go it and you see it. Then he was able to do it. Even with that one opponent, trouble gas, it was just phase one. It was just phase one of the gas pipeline in Atafia. In 20 maybe put ni Canada Japan me wa 700 million money for the train, the gas line part 2 of one mission. What I'm trying to say is that the MPP government, we started from Kufuor. Kufuor at the time the government was able to put a capacity of 1,981 megawatts. The investment that has been done, 1,981. So as at the time,
from where?
From I just told you from the Eurobond that we 700 million.
Which plant was supplying that megawatts?
I said it was an installation. It's not able to.
But it didn't finish.
Yes, that I have said it. You should listen to me so that why I work time in there. So at the end of the day, Mama benefited even from all these things because Mama, for example, UGMC, Atamius was the one who went for the fund, but at the end of the day, Mama was the one who benefited. University of Health and Allied Sciences, Atamius was the one who cut the sword commission, cut the.
But is it not the same government?
Okay. At the end of the day, Mama came to benefit, just like the trouble Meneni, Mama benefited at the end of the day. So when we talk about doom so allow electricity government in fear, government of Ghana in terms of MPP government was the one who decided to start to solve these things. But like you said, power ni Ghana ayole money and AKFA. Sometimes the people don't even know the funds can be was initiated by somebody else. So at the end of the day, but the problem that we have with me, I had with Mahama was that after the time we were going through the Dunso in 2011, Dunso started, we only needed a capacity that was less than 2,500. Now, Ameri plant Ameri is a plant. Ameri was our agent, but the plants were bought by a company, a subsidiary company called EPL. Amenamahe planted from an American company called General Electric. So Ameri was like an agent. Because of that, the 260 million that we used in doing that, 150 million went to Ameri as an agent. 110 planted because the plant one plant that is 2,500 megawatts of one plant was costing 22 million. Of one machine, you were about 10 or something like that. It cost was 200 and something million. It cost 260 million. But the 150 that was given to it was an agent fee. You don't come and make the government of Ghana do such an expensive thing when you know actually even the capacity that we needed as at that time was less than one power plant of Ameri. Was just less than one power plant. Well, what about excess power capacity? Because after the time in Mahama Shino, we didn't need that excess. But remember, we were paying 9.9 million every month. Okay. Of automation. So at the end of the day, if my brother sits and says, "Ni mama ni don't solve because Ameri planted a keba." Kufuor has even given us 1,981. Ameri planted was only able to give us 256 megawatts.
No, but in this case, throughout all submission of transaction. The John Dramani Mahama, the power crisis, you've done nothing. Disagree.
Oh, I disagree with him totally.
Okay.
Totally.
Man of me, turn of no kwame, okay. Will be a FAB. no where oti komani sanishwe wo you shkomi to ko nyantechi seat ni le hu shwe to ni ai ke kro komani fatashin mi na ko san wo chi woto wo fa ne no ko na gbewe mu angohyiam no wo wo fa ne wa wo fa ne wa wo BFA
because we have to be able to teach the people a lot of things.
Sure.
Next time get a manager, but we need less money. But at the end of the day, what the government is doing today, when you go to the Bui Dam, which was initiated by Kufuor, was funded by Kufuor Kenibie, meaning we have been able to do a solar generating solar for about 5 megawatts. Now, when you go to Laura, we have commissioned 6.5 megawatts of solar energy. That's a renewable energy that we have been able to do. When you go to Laura, about 13.5 megawatts of renewable energy that we have also done. What I'm trying to say, Bawumia has also promised Ghanaians, is going to do more of the solar thing. Okay. My brother said that she will transform everything. When you go to Ashanti West region, now their problem was generating. Their problem was generating. Our problem is distribution. And distribution, you need these transformers to be able to distribute. Some of the transformers, they are reaching their full capacity. Some of them have 200 kVA. Some of them have 315 kVA. Some have 500 kVA. Or maybe community in any, not 200 kVA, and it's reaching its capacity. There will definitely be outages. Some small outages can be. One is electricity of Ghana. He is trying to solve these transformer things so that we'll be able to have the power distribution as easy as we want to. Okay. And government is on it.
Mr. Lato no go na go you wo BFA. Okay. Yake o ye mo no ba
ke short ma obami be makane no kofi o. Eke J Mahama the solve dum so.
Now I quoted
that was 2nd December 2015. Bawumia mini car power deal does not make sense. Onu minshi. Now, ke uba nini mba eke mini bien eke mba ofan.
Benjamin Latte, good morning, great show. Benjamin. I cannot Felix Latte Chitam, thank you guys, more of this. Anyemi Kashigbe Baba. Benjamin Latte, the president's representative is telling lie too much. Daniel Dravike, good morning, Bongo. Have you noticed something about this government? The fund of appointment blames and is about the Russian-Ukraine war. You wait, they will soon tell us that the Dumso is as a result of Russian-Ukraine war. Oh, Ghana. Jefferson, thank you, Numawako. You are welcome, bro.
Press conference school. Like it was lecturing in the Mama deserve no credit for fixing Dumso.
And it is true. Yes. From what I've told you, the data I've told you, he doesn't deserve because he's not the one who initiated Dumso. Because that means no, he doesn't deserve that credit because it's not him that started with this thing. He doesn't deserve the credit.
Kumo, Nimi na here go get power distribution. She did generation eh. Mene no wo you on IPPS be onu na ame ba wi no ku.
Ame ba wi ku no ku. No ni kwani ame ba wi page ame ke VR akọ koni power ni a
independent power producers. What are you expecting them to say? Because it's generating. It's not a problem.
Mr. Ladi over no umuna
o. Because one, we are ne ko ba akọ e. Iskande sana me nya hye no. Koni mini ame wa me nagbe ame ke fu e kana kama jani bi na me ke fu a me plant ke ni bi na kashika e baale papa onu mi shi na kashika le isi jiji money fi o mi e hio e ha onu mi shi ona ni shike ya le papa ni ahi ko me te nya me no onu mi shi ona me nye ni ame flow John Dramani Mahama, there you come in president.
Richard Central, the MPP communication team. Kenakano Mr. Lati, Leon Damakian NDC communication.
War, His Excellency, the champion incoming president, is coming to Abeokuta Central. Yes, he's coming to have an iftar with the Muslim community there. So it's very important.
Masuma congratulate you, new sub-metro chairman for Abeokuta South, Egbeji Richard Tego. Kolebu Assembly member who from Ochole Gaddafi. They are elected money. I will as the sub-metro chairman. BNA. You must money. Ma congratulate Lewani. We feel we here we are. Can you chumona ake we dear one. Ibachuni Lodi ba.
Yo, Ghana. We feel one town watch mashi. JMPP, JNDC. Ghana one town watch mashi. We feel what chumo juba. Koni Ghana akwe mama papa ni. We feel what we ajawo. Ngbeji ni tetelato wache mni bongo. We feel wale mwe beye koni akeo.
Are you looking for a media house for your upcoming events? Welcome to Omashi TV production crew, a digital station that offers live event coverage such as conferences, parties, corporate meetings, weddings, and live streaming on all social media platforms. Soft copies of events or production can be made available upon request. For further inquiries, call Omashi TV on
0536 772 262
or 0244 425 652. Omashi TV production. Ajwa twing me kamishe.